Hi, parents. Coach Murphy here, David Murphy, Dr. Murphy, whatever you want to call me. So this Wednesday and the following Wednesday, I'm going to hold two Google Hangout or Google Meet training sessions for parents on how to create an effective home learning environment so that you're really maximizing two things, right? Or maximizing one thing, minimizing another, right? Maximizing learning and minimizing distractions, right? We'll talk about some of the principles of that, and we'll talk about some really concrete examples of what you can do now to build out, really, for some kids, a homeschool environment. What does that look like? And what should I start gathering now? And what buy-in and support should I really start garnering from my kids to build that? We're set up for some schools we're doing totally online already. Some schools are doing a hybrid, and some schools are really getting after full-time right off the start. Doesn't really matter. We're really trying to plan for the reality or the inevitable that there is going to be increased requirements, expectations, and demands of our children to learn from home. To help them, we need to step in and know what to do. And let's talk about what's some core things you can do from an environment perspective, physically restructuring the environment to start to reorganize and reframe an environment in the home to promote our children's potential, because that's our goal inevitably in life for all of our kids. So please join me. Of course, it's free. Join me and let's see for the next 2 Wednesdays. Let's see what kind of feedback we get from this initiative. And obviously, the more the merrier. And let's see if I can add value to help you and your children get ready for Back to School 2020.